Welcome Space Enthusiasts. Today, we are delving into the fascinating stellar journey of the Indian Space Research Organization, better known as ISRO. From its humble beginnings to its current position as a global space powerhouse, ISRO's journey is not short of inspiring. So, don't make any delay and go into our video. Basically, I divided this video into 4 segments for your convenience. The segments of our video are as follows. In the early 1960s, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, a visionary scientist and industrialist, recognized the potential of the space technology to propel India's socio-economic development. He spearheaded the establishment of the Indian National Committee for Space Research in COSPA, the seed of ISRO, in 1962, which was later evolved into Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) in 1969. Dr. Sarabhai's vision with the self-reliance in national development was rooted in the belief that space technology could address pressing national challenges such as telecommunications, weather forecasting, and natural resource management. And finally, the launch of Aryabhatta, India's first satellite in 1975, signaled the entry of the country into space age. The development of ISRO was a collaborative effort testament to the dedication of countless brilliant minds, including numerous scientists, engineers, and administrators. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai provided visionary leadership and strategic direction to the fledgling space agency. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, often referred to as Missile Man of India, made significant contribution to ISRO's missile and space programs, including the development of satellite launch vehicles and ballistic missiles. Other prominent figures such as Dr. Satish Dhawan, Professor Uddupati Ramachandra Rao, Dr. Nambi Narayan, and Dr. K. Radhakrishnan played pivotal roles in shaping ISRO's scientific and technological advancement from Aryabhatta satellite in 1975 to Chandrayaan-3 in 2023. Also, you have to remember that ISRO has achieved remarkable milestones not only because of few individuals, but this belongs to the collaborative effort of the entire ISRO team. ISRO has achieved several remarkable milestones through its successful missions, but in this video, we will discuss about 2 missions. They are Chandrayaan mission and Mars Orbiter mission Mangalyaan. Chandrayaan-1, launched in 2008, was India's first mission to Moon and made significant discoveries, including the detection of water molecules on the lunar surface, making headlines worldwide. Chandrayaan-3, launched in 2023, aimed to further explore Moon's south polar region and demonstrate India's soft landing capabilities in the south pole of the Moon, and became the first aircraft in the world to land on the south pole of the Moon. Chandrayaan-3 had found the presence of sulfur on the Moon's south pole. Mangalyaan, launched in 2013, marked India's first interplanetary mission and successfully entered Mars orbit on its maiden attempt. This demonstrated the ISRO's interplanetary capabilities. It continued to study the Martian atmosphere and surface, contributing valuable data to the global scientific community. ISRO's future plans, brimming with ambition, reflect its commitment to pushing the boundaries of the space exploration and scientific researches. They have many plans and ambitions for future, but in this video, let us discuss 2 of them. They are Gaganyaan mission, Chandrayaan-4 and beyond. Gaganyaan mission, ISRO's ambitious human spaceflight program, aims to send Indian astronauts into space aboard an indigenous spacecraft marking India's entry into manned space missions, Chandrayaan 4 and beyond. Chandrayaan 4 is a planned lunar sample return mission of ISRO and will be the fourth mission in its Chandrayaan program. It consists of 4 modules. The planned mission life is 1 lunar day, and the landing site is near to Shiv Shakti Point, the landing site of Chandrayaan 3's lander. Additionally, ISRO aims to expand its interplanetary exploration efforts and explore new destinations in the solar system. And there you have it, folks. ISRO's stellar journey from its inception to its current position as a global space powerhouse is a testament to the dedication, innovation, pioneering spirit, and bold aspiration for the future of its scientists and engineers, proving that with collaboration, dedication, even seemingly impossible dreams can take flight. With ambitious future plans, ISRO continues to inspire and wonder as it continues to explore the fortunes of the space. Join us next time as we continue to marvel at the limitless possibilities that lie beyond by the human ingenuity. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Cosmovision for more content.